Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a wish list on Amazon. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the your list, and after the page is loading you can just simply select the list that you want to delete. I can select the sad list, and after this you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see the last option, that is delete list. Tap on it and make sure you want to delete this list by tapping on yes, and after this the list will be deleted, and it is a way you can delete wish list on Amazon. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.